Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. And let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior, fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as being able to flip these seats up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. In the middle, you do have a 12-volt power outlet as well. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, and you do have a premium Bose sound system. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 109,112 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip A and B information, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, fuel economy, transmission fluid, off-road status, digital speedometer. And then you have your audio, phone, and navigation controls, as well as options for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your button for your heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls with 4 auto, and your lighting controls. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary and Bluetooth capable, I believe, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. You do have a navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have your physical media controls and your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats, so you can stay cozy. Below that, you have your power adjustable pedals, traction control shut off, cargo box lights, park assist sensor shut off, hill descent assist. And then moving down further, here you have 2 USBs, 2 12-volt power outlets, and a 115-volt power outlet, I believe. And your center console area here, which is huge. You have 2 cup holders, very deep cubby area here. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stalk. Then moving on to your center compartment / armrest here with a wireless charging pad here on top, so you can throw your phone on there to charge. And inside you have a ton of room for everything. You have 2 USBs, auxiliary, and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.